What's up, y'all? It's your boy Chopper, and we back with another video today. Alright, my chef's gonna kill me for this, but I want to try it anyway. Chicken Cordon Bleu Buffalo Sliders, or Buffalo Chicken Cordon Bleu Sliders. Yeah, that sounds way better. This is what you need. You're gonna need you some breadcrumbs, some chicken. You're gonna need you some slider buns, Swiss cheese. It's better to get the real cheese. I went to the deli and got this sliced. Ham. You're gonna need you some egg wash. You can see it. If you can't see it, you'll see it later. You're gonna need you some flour. And you're gonna need you some buffalo sauce, of course. Alright, next, well, first, finna beat my meat. Alright, make sure you rinse your chicken off first and put some saran wrap over it so your meat beater don't tear your meat up. You don't. Alright, you get done, your meat gonna look all wide, loadish. Yeah, like that. See that? Yeah. I beat that out real good. I didn't butterfly it because I didn't want to. I wanted to make sure I got my cheese and my ham to stay in and not come out once I get it processed the way it's supposed to be. Yeah, but I'm finna go ahead and season my chicken. Got me something new in the kitchen, garlic sauce. It ain't new, but I just got it in the cabinet. Onion powder. Got me some more of that. Honey sriracha. And that Tony's. Then make sure you get that on your chicken good. That's good. Next, I'm about to put my cheese and my ham inside my chicken, and I'm finna roll it, pat it, and mark it with a Q. I ain't finna pat it or nothing like that. I'm just finna roll it. Some ham, cheese. You can use Swiss cheese or mozzarella cheese with this. It really don't matter. I got some Swiss cheese though. Then I'm gonna roll it. It's gonna look like that once you roll it. Like a big old cigar. Next, I'm finna roll those big old blunts. Well, they already rolled up, y'all. Got them big old blunts over here, or cigars, or whatever y'all want to call it. Finna go ahead and do my breading process. Alright, the way you do this, you take your chicken, you go flour first, then egg wash, then breadcrumb. Flour, egg wash, breadcrumb. Got it? If you don't, I can't help you. So we're gonna take this big monstrosity and put it in the flour. Oh yeah, wash your hands too. You're gonna have other people eating too, so make sure you wash your hands. You don't want them getting sick. No. Alright, when it gets done, that's how it's gonna look. Got those all breaded up. These finna be some big sliders. Finna go ahead and pop these in the grease and let these brown. I held it down a little too long and forgot to pick it back up, but it's all good. I'm finna let these hit the oven for like about 25 minutes. chicken's almost done. Time to make up that sauce. Now I know I didn't need all this sauce. Pepper. Some more of that garlic salt. Come back with that honey sriracha. Smoked paprika. Onion powder. Cayenne pepper. Mix that. I like letting this cooking and getting bubbly because I want all my seasonings to get all in my sauce. That's why I be like, cook it and let it get bubbly. Yeah. Alright. That's smelling all luscious and I know it's done. And also, that's done. Alright, I got this transferred into a bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and slice these up. Make sure you rinse your cleaning board off too, or your cutting board. I rinsed this off. It may not look like it because all this stuff is on it, but trust me, I clean this off every time I get ready to use it. So we're gonna slice up some pieces up. So y'all can see what the inside piece look like. Put all this in a bowl. Once again, that's how the inside look. Alright, we're gonna put that buffalo sauce all over this. Good Lord. It's your thing. Now I'm about to toast those slider buns. Those beefy buns. Alright, I'm gonna let them toast until this side right here has a little crisp to it. Yeah. Alright, I'm about to just start piling all these up on one plate. Look like a couple of White Castle burgers with buffalo sauce on. It's about to be good eatings. Don't you think so? Alright, y'all already know, man. You like what you see? Go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Like I always say, I'm trying to be well known like the dope man phone number. Shout out to Boosie. Alright, I got my homie Gab over here in the cut with me, rolling doobies up. Psych, we not rolling doobies up, y'all. I don't even smoke, okay? Smoking is bad. Smoking is bad, okay? Stop it. Well, anyway, me and Gabby, aka Common Judy, is finna dabble. We finna dabble.
I want this one.
Go ahead.
Okay. I'm gonna dip it in some ranch.
Oh yeah, I got some ranch over here.
Is it in there? It's in there. No, me first. Okay. Now your turn.
What we gonna do on the count of three? Oh no, I'm a...
Come on, you're
Alright.
dropping this shit in the ranch.
Alright.
Okay.
Toast. I feel like a fat person.
Okay, Miguel, you might have just did something.
I feel like a fat person.
That's good. Oh, you got me double dipping on video? Oh, wow.
My paper towel already gone.
You took my chicken Cordon Bleu with you.
That's good. Our first time eating chicken Cordon Bleu. She got it with a twist. Buffalo and in sliders. Ooh.
And it's the shit.
Slid right in her DMs.
Oh, no.